Welcome to the introduction of the Grand Summit 5, Diversity, Inclusion and Equality on LinkedIn and Internet. Date is 27th of December 2020 and it's going to start from 8 in the morning to 24 hours at the night. The theme is around the Sanskrit verse Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kastit Dukha Bhagyavit Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. It means may all become happy, may none fall ill, may all see auspiciousness everywhere, may none ever feel sorrow, all feel happy. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So with this great message, we are going to discuss about diversity, inclusion and equality on LinkedIn and internet. It is with a one common message that never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has. And this summit has 200 plus individuals from 25 countries across 4 time zones. They will be grouped into 15 each with a leader, and that leader will orchestrate the complete summit for that group. The audience will come and go as per their convenience. What is the theme? You can see 4 pictures, various different spices, person valuing the time or enjoying up to the last minute, people taking care about the world or throwing the garbage, and the color of diversity. So the first is digital divide, which is a problem in developed nation too. It's a problem everywhere. An individual even having an internet connection, it doesn't mean that he is having an access to information. They are digitally divided and they do not have an appropriate information, or they have a void, and that void gets filled by pornography. That void gets filled by several menaces. So we as a LinkedIn users, those who are quite knowledgeable about such menace or such void, we can help people with certain alternative. Importance of diversity. How can we collectively explain the importance of diversity is another point. Inclusion. How we can include more and more people, specifically teachers. Those who can include parents also, in turn can students also. So teachers and professors is one of the prime area. Equality. Like, let's be humble, let's encourage participation from all. Let's not just form a small isolated group and discuss among ourselves and get just a benefit of technology. Empowerment of teacher, as I have told before, and involvement of youth. Only certain percentage of youth is using LinkedIn, rest uses Facebook and Instagram. So this is also one medium which can be leveraged to increase the efficiency, productivity of the youth. So use of LinkedIn, can we all create content which creates the impact. The format is like sandwich. It has a top layer, bottom layer and a middle layer. So in top layer, we are going to do a pre-summit discussions with the guest, those who would like to speak more, those who would like to share more ideas. We are going to record podcast, video cast, LinkedIn live with them in the next 15 days. Then on the day of summit, we will have a 3 minutes per guest to share their golden nuggets. In the post summit, the event summary to inform in form of documentary. It will be as good as National Geographic documentary. What is going to be discussed in pre-summit? It's going to be discussed like spices. Let's ponder the diversity, inclusion and digital divide and produce the content in form of videos, podcast, write a blog about the subject. What happens in 3 minutes? You must have seen like people snoozing the alarm multiple times to just take a final juice of the nap. So 3-minute presentation is good enough to express your ideas. Total 16 hours, that is 960 minutes. 200 speakers will consume 600 minutes and remaining 360 minutes we will be presenting the content which has been created in the pre-recording or the first layer of the summit. post summit, we will prepare a documentary and a world book. We will create content and discuss at a regular interval to walk the talk. We'll not throw the garbage ourselves and we'll talk about having a beautiful earth. It's not possible. We will work on an idea which is, it is easy to be a motivational speaker, but it's challenging to be a motivational doer. So let's be a doer rather than talker. Thank you. Please join TCOL as a guest, as an anchor, as a volunteer planner, and you can block your calendar for 27th December 2020 right away. Block in your cell phone, block in your Google, or block in any of the media. Visit the Circle of Listen hashtag, like it, subscribe it on LinkedIn, on Facebook or Instagram. You can contact me on the mobile number mentioned over here. Thank you once again.